Now, let's have a look at Charlie's world tour.
हेलो नमस्ते अतिथि देवो भव ना पेरु चार्ली उंगलकाय संदीपदिल मकिरची हमारे ई प्यारे देश में आप सबके स्वागत बा जीते पाहु अन्ना देव मना ले जाते मैं आपकी मदद कैसे कर सकता हूँ I didn't understand what you're saying. The tone of the language you're using is so lovely that I didn't want to interrupt you. Yes, I'm a polyglot and I can speak many languages. And your respect for our languages has touched my heart. This is just a small part of our Indian culture that I've exposed to you. Wow, I did not know that India has so many languages to speak. Yes, you'll be surprised to learn that India has 121 languages and 217 mother tongues. In spite of so many languages, we still stay united through two official languages, that is English, thanks to the British rule in India, and Hindi that goes back many years in the Devanagari script. I want to construct a dream house to live. For that, I am in search of an architect. I'll see if you can assist me. It would be my pleasure to make your dream come true. Kala samskaratare sishtikulu. Samskaram moolyangale sishtikulu. Moolyangal bhaviyate manukulu. This means that design creates culture, culture shapes value, and value determines the future. In order to make it a reality, I like to do well deeper. It's simple. You tell me about your dream and I make it a reality. Excellent idea. What else can you discover about your culture to make my dream home more unique and magic? India is rich for its dance forms like folk and classical. Today let us discover the many classical dance forms of India. Indian classical dance is sustained by profound philosophy. Form seeks to merge with the formless. Motion seeks to become a part of the motionless. Individual seeks to become one of the eternal dancing of the cosmos.
Janana janana tanana tanana tom janana janana tanana tanana tom janana janana tanana tanana janana janana tanana tanana tom janana janana tanana tanana tom janana janana tanana tanana geeta dhumi ko takdim nath geeta tom naach rahe gori taai dai dai dum tere dum geeta dhumi ko takdim nath geeta tom naach rahe gori taai dai dai dum tere dum geeta dhumi ko takdim nath geeta tom naach rahe gori को तकरी मात्र फिर तो पहुँच रही गोरी तारी है तई दलो तेरे दलो तारी है तई दलो तेरे दलो तारी है तई दलो तेरे दलो गीत धुनी को तकरी निको तकरी निको तकरी.
Wow, that was truly breathtaking and absolutely incredible. It was both moving and emotional. With your description, it would be fantastic to incorporate some elements and pictures of dance in your dream home to make it even more extraordinary. Yes, but I believe something is missing in my dream home. An element? I am a very artistic person. As I said before, I want my home to be more creative and unique from the other homes. I believe you will need to meet an artist who can show you everything and guide you in this regard, from Madhubani to Kalamkari and Kashmiri art to Tanjore painting. These artists will now show you something unique and different in Indian folk art, forms that have survived generations. What I saw in my last visit, and I'm loving it. This exhibits the country's artistic side. The ideas you have shared with me will help me in making the world of your home truly artistic, giving it a unique appearance. If music wakes you up, makes you think, heals you, then I guess music is working. A.R. Rahman. Now that we've all gathered here at my house, let's celebrate with some music and food that incorporates Indian culture. Sari, sari, ga, ma, ri, ga, ma, pa, ga, ma, pa, da, ma, pa, da, ni, pa, da, ni, sa, Sari, sari, ga, ma, ri, ga, ma, pa, ga, ma, pa, da, ma, pa, da, ni, pa, da, ni, sa, ni, da, pa, ni, da, pa, ma, da, pa, ma, ga, ma, ga, ri, sa. As India is known for its distinct culture, I wanted the essence of India to pervade my home in order to make it special. It was a pleasure to spend time with you all and learn about the cultural facts of India. I realized that Indian culture is the heritage of social norms, ethical values, traditional customs, belief systems, political systems, artifacts, and technologies that have been originated in or are associated with the ethno-linguistically diverse Indian subcontinent. When we talk of culture, we refer to the knowledge of a particular group of people encompassing language, cuisine, social habits, music, art, architecture, philosophy, and religion. Culture is a cumulative deposit of knowledge, experience, beliefs, value, attitude, meaning, hierarchies, material objects, and possession acquired by a group of people in the course of time. Indian culture has taught us the value of culture and its various manifestations in India. It's indeed a wonderful amalgamation of diverse culture, all flourishing parallelly in the various states and ethnic groups of India. It shows us the various art forms and how they play an important role in enriching our country. This integrity and unity help our country prosper, and it shows how much people value their own culture. I've not only created a dream home for this gentleman, but also am holding a mirror to reflect the rich culture of India and how all our homes have accepted this diverse culture which binds us, resulting in peace and harmony. कबीरा कुआं एक है, पानी भरे अनेक, बर्तन में ही भेद है, पानी सब में एक. India is indeed a beautiful jigsaw puzzle filled with essence of diversity but yet celebrates unity.